The simple interest on 144,000 cedis for 3 years is 36,000 cedis. What is the rate per annum? This is a multiple choice question, and so you solve the question, and then after that you pick the correct option. So from the question we are told that an amount of 144,000 cedis was invested for a period of 3 years, and the simple interest that was accrued on this amount is 36,000 cedis. The question wants us to find the rate per annum at which the amount was invested. So we know that the simple interest that was accrued is 36,000 cedis. The principal amount that was invested is 144,000 cedis, and it was invested for a period of 3 years. We know that simple interest is equal to principal times rate times time divided by 100. We have the simple interest, we have the principal, and we have the time. So we can substitute it here to get the rate per annum. The simple interest is 36,000 cedis, the principal is 144,000 cedis, and the time is 3 years. So we have 36,000 is equal to 144,000 times R times 3 divided by 100. So you multiply this side by 100 and multiply this side also by 100. You see that 100 and 100 will cancel out, and so you have 100 times 36,000 cedis is equal to 144,000 cedis times R times 3. And this will give us 3,600,000 cedis is equal to 432,000 cedis times R. So we have 432,000 cedis times R is equal to 3,300,000 cedis. So to get R, we will divide both sides by 432,000 cedis, and this will give us R is equal to 3,600,000 cedis divided by 432,000 cedis, and this will give us 8 whole number 1 divided by 3%. So this means that the rate of the investment per annum was 8 whole number 1 divided by 3%. When we look through the options, the correct option is option C.